What's up guys? This is John and again, feeling ko ang dami kong kailangang catch up na gawin because if it has been very busy past few months. Um, Also, the weather is not that good in the Philippines. Flooding, raining, and all those stuff. So that's kinda hinder me on creating new videos. But yeah, this video would be very quick. I just wanted to teach you guys on how you can create your own, I guess, mock-up to present to your clients, especially when you are presenting your web design. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so here we are. We're checking out Chrome. And the first thing you want to do when creating a mockup is to find or select an image that we will be using. So usually I go to unsplash.com. Unsplash is a free roster of high resolution photos, so they can be used for free. It is submitted by a generous community of photographers. So here I will find, say, laptop, and then it will show me tons of images that can be used for free. So we want to use this Kari from Kari. is This is a beautiful mock-up, so we can just download it for free. And yep, that's about it. We have downloaded the image, and then what we need next is the website itself. So this is my personal website. We will do a screenshot of this, and to do a screenshot of a website, what we wanted to use is this one. This is called an awesome screenshot. It's a Chrome extension. And then kapag na-add na natin siya sa Chrome, just click here and then capture the entire page. Yep. So it has some trouble with the fixed backgrounds kasi it just stitch. You can see we have cut here and cut here. It stitches what you can see on the current screen. So kung ano yung nandun, ini-stitch lang niya sa next images. But this will do for now. Just be mindful that it can happen on images with fixed background. So we just wanted to download it. Yep. Once downloaded, we can now work in Photoshop. So on Photoshop, I have preloaded the images that we downloaded earlier. So here on Photoshop, what we wanted to do is to create a rectangular shape. So you can use this shape tool and then create a rectangle just about the size of the screen. There we go. And then what you wanted to do is you want to right click on the layer and then convert it to smart object. So smart object would be very useful for scenario like this one. And then we want to transform it, so we go to edit and free transform, or you can just press command T or control T if you're in a Windows, and then just use the corner so it would fit the right proportion of the laptop. You want to be precise here with the ratio para magmukhang image talaga na nandun sa screen nung laptop yung ating gagawin. Just press enter. The color doesn't matter though. The color of the shape doesn't matter because we will be replacing it in a bit. So on the layer, just double click the box. Okay, and it will open another document for the rectangle. And now this is where we want to place our screenshot. So we have a screenshot here and place it right there. Okay, so by default it would be placed as smart object, so it is okay. And then we want to resize it. When resizing things in Photoshop, I would always suggest to resize from the corner instead from the side or from the top or bottom, because you want to preserve the exact size. So now when resizing images, we want to hold on shift so it will retain its aspect ratio without distorting the image. And we want to use alt, so it will be scaled evenly. Now the goal here is to somehow cover up all of our rectangle, because what we wanted is realistic look of the website when it's viewed on a browser. So there you go. And then once we have that, just press Command S or Control S to save. And then once we close this, it will eventually be the image on the smart object. Cool, right? And yeah, basically what we have to do at this point is to save. Export, save for web. So I'm using Adobe Photoshop CC 2017. Yours might be slightly different on saving or exporting, but yeah, it has the same idea for saving. And what I want to do before doing this is I want to select the box. You can do it by command or control clicking on the rectangle box and then selecting the background again, and then just copying command C or control C and then deselecting the image. Then what I want to do by then is to control shift V or command shift V on Mac, just to copy and paste the same image na tinatakpan nung rectangle. So that way we can still see the same image that we have. And then I wanted to turn the blending option to screen. So what it does is somehow it blends in all the black to the original MacBook that or original mock-up that we use para magmukha siyang realistic. So, yung mga reflection, yung mga tawag dito, yung mga screen effects na nandun mismo sa screen before we place the smart object would be on top of that smart object, if that makes sense. But basically what I'm trying to say is we want to make it more realistic. So, yeah, you want to save this or export, save for web. Okay, and save for web. Then you want to save it, save 12 pixels by 800 and save. Then you want to save it on the desktop, then save, and there you go. It's already saved. Let's look at it on the desktop, and we have it here. Tada! So it's a quick and easy way to create a presentation for the website or web design that you are currently working on the client, giving them the idea of how it would look on the devices that they want it to. But yeah, you don't have to purchase or buy any mock-up that you will be used again and again. You just have to, you can create your own in one quick and easy way. And yeah, that's all for it for this video. So then again, thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video. Click thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions or suggestions, or if you want me to create any future videos. Just let me know. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.